Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome back, and I would like to say thank you to all the returning subscribers and all the new subscribers. Welcome. Today, we're going to do another shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet the face. Since I've got my face wet and I've already done my pre-shave routine as far as taking a shower, I'm just going to throw a little bit of pre-shave soap on. And I already have the soap lathered up. Today we're going to be using a soap by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is the Tribute. Now, if you guys have seen some of the other guys' videos, this is a sandalwood cherry. Definitely smell that very nice. To me, that sandalwood is like the traditional real sandalwood, and it's not the cheap stuff that you get from, you know, wherever. And like I said, I do have that already whipped up in the old black frog house bowl. And I don't know if I've ever shown you, it's kind of hard to do it with the bowl's got lather in it, but it does have a nice little black frog in there. So I do like that bowl, and we are going to be using the Atomic Rocket by PAA, which is another synthetic brush. And the razor we're going to be using today, have you ever thought about straight razor shaving versus the safety razor? And you're just kind of like, And then, you know, there's options out there for shavettes and all these other things. Well, I've got something that I'm going to show you that's kind of a happy medium, and you can be safe. Excuse me. Allergies again. So this razor is a kind of an in-between. It's an actual, I don't know if you would call it a shavette, but this is made by Razorine, and it is made in Italy. It's a solid brass, but it's chrome plated, and it's you know, basically a DE, but it's got the safety bar there, and you put your blade in, so you're not going to be worried about cutting your throat like a real cutthroat razor. So you may find it awkward. I find it to be an excellent shave. You just take this little I'll say a thumb screw, or it's actually a nut, but you take that off, and then you'll have a top plate that comes off just like that. I'm going to be using the Wizamet Super Iridium blade, and get that back out of the package. You're just going to lay that into that top cap, just like you would any other DE razor. You're going to put that back on there very carefully, and put the thumb screw or thumb nut back on there. Now, it does have a little bit of play in it. If I can get that in there without, hello. I can't show it to you, but anyway, just kind of it has a little bit of wiggle, so if you do get one, just kind of make sure that the blade is in there aligned, and then you just give that a little snug. Don't drop that nut in the sink unless you've got your stopper in. All right, something else I was going to say about that, I wanted to get the all brass one. Here's the little package that it comes in. If you want, just Google that name and you'll find it. There's a couple different stores that sell it. I better re-wet my face. It's Sunday. Did you guys have a good weekend? It's getting ready to pour down rain here, so my weekend is coming to an end rapidly. Go ahead and apply the lather. And this is the CK6. One of the things I started to mention about the scent on that sandalwood, some of the sandalwood that you can find like in the candle aisle, or just, you know, different soaps that have the fragrances in it. This is a little bit more of an earthy, realistic. It's probably, Douglas probably uses the real stuff and not the synthetic sandalwood, so it's definitely has that real smell. We're gonna go ahead and wet the razor, and here we go. And like I said, whenever you go to use this, you'll see how I use it. It's really not that big of a deal. It's just, imagine your handle, instead of being here with the 30-degree angle, you're just going to be using it here. Here we go. Very nice. It's probably on the mild side, not real aggressive, but it's not super mild, so it's kind of in the moderate, and I do like it. Two days worth of growth. When you go to flipping this back and forth, you constantly kind of want to do that, but you can't. It's very easy to find the angle with it, and your hand's not in the way while you're doing it. Excellent. Oh, yeah. CK6 is some slick stuff. Let's go for lathering on for pass 2. Gonna go across the grain. Comment below if you guys have seen this razor, or if you've thought about purchasing this. Would you give it a go? Some people don't want a straight razor shave. because they don't want to have to hone the razor, go through and strop it and do some of the upkeep. So this is a nice alternative. Going to do a cold water rinse here. Got that all over my shirt. Hey, if you're not getting it on your shirt, you're not shaving right. And I'm going to follow that up with some ice cube. I've had a few people say they've tried this and they do like it versus the alum block. I just feel like it helps close the pores up and it's not a chemical that you're putting on. I'm going to use the Black Sheep by Lancaster. Did you guys get on the drop yesterday? You get anything? I was really wanting to get one of those different shave bowls. It was that he has one that's like the urban, and the other one was the it was like the turquoise. Man, I wanted that so bad. I missed out. Well, there's always another drop. I'm going to follow it up with a matching splash. Those new restrictors, I better get a little more. Oh yeah. And you know the drill. We're going to use some Star Jelly. It does have a hint of menthol in it. Excellent shave. That is one of my, I'll say fun razors. You know, it just kind of gives you a little mix up with all your other shave equipment. And, you know, it gives a nice shave and you're not having to hassle with stropping or honing. I do enjoy honing and stropping, but sometimes when you're in a rush, you're not wanting to have to do that. But anyway, let me know, have you guys seen this razor? Would you give it a try? Give it a little spin? I recommend it. Well, guys, that's it. That's my shave of the day. I appreciate you guys returning. I'll have a picture right here of everything I've used today, and look forward to the next video on Will It Shave Wednesday. You guys have a good rest of your weekend.